Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ETFs on Fidelity. First, you'll need an active Fidelity brokerage account. If you don't have one, setting it up is a straightforward process online. Once your account is ready, you can begin exploring the wide range of exchange-traded funds available. It's important to understand the basics of ETFs and how they fit into your investment strategy before making any purchases. Now, let's dive into researching the right ETFs for you. Fidelity offers robust screening tools that allow you to filter funds based on various criteria, like sector, asset class, or risk level. Pay close attention to an ETF's expense ratio, which is the annual fee you pay, and its past performance. Remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but it provides insight. Also, think about how a new ETF will diversify your existing portfolio. Once you've identified the ETFs you want, it's time to place your order. Log into your Fidelity account and go to the Trades section. You'll need to enter the ETF's ticker symbol, which is a unique identifier, and specify the number of shares you wish to purchase. Next, choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. Before finalizing your purchase, always review all the order details one last time to ensure accuracy. After your order executes, the ETF shares will appear in your Fidelity account. It's crucial to regularly monitor the performance of your ETFs and adjust your portfolio as needed to stay aligned with your financial goals. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.